Hi, I'm Afra Nizar. I'm from VG Som IIT Kharagpur. I've done my engineering in electronics and communications from MJ College of Engineering and Technology in Hyderabad. I'm a fresher. My GD for VG Som, we had around 8 to 10 people in the group. It was moderated by two of our professors from VG Som. The topic was very generic. It was on corruption in India. We were given a paragraph where the example given was that of Commonwealth Games. And we were asked to discuss about the state of corruption in India, what is being done to reduce corruption, what can be done, and the various changes that can be made. The discussion was very healthy. Everybody put forward their points, and it was very organized. In fact, we began with why is there so much of corruption in India these days? Why is there a sudden increase in corruption these days? The current scenario as to how people, common people are coming out against corruption, and then Mr. Anna Hazare and all those movements were discussed. And we also discussed about the flaws in the various laws against corruption and what can probably be done to strengthen those laws and to implement those laws in a better manner. Initially, we were given 5 minutes to jot down our points on the papers given to us. The discussion lasted for about 10 minutes. And we were also given about 3 minutes in the end to summarize, write a summary of one page on the discussion that had been done. We then had our personal interviews. It was a panel of 2 people, both of them professors from VG Som as well. I initially asked about, to give my introduction about myself, the place where I come from. I was asked about the culture in Hyderabad, and since I'm from Hyderabad, another common question was, about the Telangana issue and how it is impacting the common life in Hyderabad, the day-to-day life, how is it being affected and all that. The next questions were more on my academics. Since I'm a fresher, they had to focus on that, and they asked my favorite subjects, and a couple of basic questions were asked on those topics, which I answered fairly well. I was also asked questions, based on my general knowledge, the political scenario in India, the increase in the gender diversity and the importance of women in organizations these days. I was asked to name a few of my favorite leaders or, the heads in quite a few organizations. There were also questions about my interests and my hobbies. The interview was very, very casual, very normal. They didn't grill me much. It was pretty good. It lasted for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, when you guys are preparing for your GD and PI, just make sure you guys are, well versed with the current topics and, most of the political topics as well. Make sure you know your academics well. Pick about 1 or 2 subjects which you, like, and make sure you cover the basics of all those subjects. Just be confident while you're answering. If you don't know, just say you don't know. Don't try to pretend. Don't try to beat around the bush. They'll find out. Just be confident, be happy, and I'm sure you'll do well. All the best.